Hey, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my Joann's haul and a DIY wreath project. So this video is in collab with Vani from Miss Mom's Homeschool. It is a fall decor collab, so the other ladies that are involved will have a different variety of fall decoration ideas for you. So please see the link below and definitely go check out their channels. And if you're visiting from one of those channels, welcome. I'm Julie. I do DIY, homemaking, and lifestyle videos here on my channel, and I'd love to have you be one of my regulars. So please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked my wreath. So let's get to the haul. The first thing I got was this 18-inch grapevine wreath from Joann's, and I think it was $5.99. Really good price because they were more expensive at their competitor. The second thing I got was this, it's called matching wreath garland. I don't know why it's called that, but it's really pretty. It's got like a pink corally kind of color, and then it's got some oranges and yellows and creams. It's really pretty, and I thought that this would work well with the wreath to just kind of wrap. I'll show you how I do it. And then I also got some of these in case the wreath needs a little bit more volume. I thought that these were really similar to the ones already in that vine piece. And then this came with more. I kind of played with the wreath to make sure that I actually wanted to keep these before and so I was laying these out and stuff. But anyways, it comes with a bunch of these white sunflowers, and these are really nice. They actually look, the centers look pretty real. These are the, it just says Bush. It says Bush. And everything at Joann's right now is, I just went, when did I go? I went on Friday. You're watching this, and it is Monday. Well, I think you're watching it on Monday. But everything is 60% off all their fall stuff. And they had a 25% off coupon in their app off of including sales stuff. So I got really good prices. I got this cute little gratitude sign, which is so cute. And I think I'm going to use this in my wreath. I kind of was playing with it, and if I decide I don't like it, I'm probably still going to use it in on my front porch, which I do plan on doing a front porch tour. We're going to the pumpkin patch on Tuesday, and then I will record my front porch. I also found these, oh my goodness, I'm so excited about these horns. Doesn't say any description, but they are just, and they're like hard plastic. They're not light, they're kind of heavy. But I'm thinking about using these on a tablescape that I'm going to do. They're really pretty. I like them. These were, and again, such a great deal. I also picked up this white M. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it in the wreath. I think originally that's what I was thinking. But when I put the white up against the other colors, I don't really like it. So I could maybe paint it a little bit. We'll see. And I got this, and it is so soft. And I picked the red and brown and white specifically. They did have the black and white check that everybody wants. And then they had a really light cream one, and I believe they had a gray one. But I liked this one because I thought double use. I could use it at Christmas time, and it would kind of add a little red to something wherever I end up putting it in the house. But I'm thinking about using this also in my tablescape or on my front porch, which both of those are videos that I have coming up this week. And that's all I got from Joann's. It is all I got from Joann's. Mostly stuff for the wreath. So let's get to making the wreath. I just hung it, but I am not liking this gratitude sign. First of all, if you can see, it's just like hanging there, which is really gonna drive me crazy. So I'm thinking, oh goodness, oh gosh, I'm allergic to bees. Why are you here? Oh, look at, that's crazy. Out of nowhere, he just pops up. Well, somehow I have to take this wreath down, and figure out if I'm just going to take out I think the thing, these are so realistic, guys. I think this bee thinks it's real. That is funny. Okay, so it's gone-ish. So I'm going to, I think, cut this off, and I'm either going to just stick it, sorry. I'm just going to stick it here or get rid of it, but I will show you guys what I end up doing. So there it is. I got rid of the sign completely. I just didn't like it, and I didn't like the white M that I got either, so I'm just going to leave it like this. I actually really like it, and it's a really good size. It's a big wreath. For, I'm trying to think, I paid probably about $10. I bet you I paid, yeah, I did. I paid between $10 and $12 for this wreath, which is a great deal. So hopefully you guys like this video. Again, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I will catch you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.